Welcome to phase 2 of the Runner's Knee program. Good job on doing all the things that you're supposed to do and progressing through the office and following the plan to help get you back to the things that you love to do without pain and preventing injury in the future. These exercises today are going to again be a mobility set and a warm-up set, and will progress from what we did in the first home care series. So keep putting in the work, we'll keep progressing in the office and keep working together towards your goals.